What's happening, guys? This is a shout out video for a friend of mine, DM the Mod. Most of y'all probably already know her, and most of y'all know that YouTube's going to be doing some rule changes by the 1st or something like that, where you've got to have 1,000 subscribers for something. I don't know, I don't keep up with it, but I really want to get her to 1,000 subscribers before the 1st of the year. So here's what I'm going to do. If you go over to her channel and subscribe to it, write the word done in the comment section of this video, you're going to be entered to win one of my railroad spike knives. I think that's kind of cool. The only caveat is that she's got to reach 1,000 by the 1st. So if you need to share the video or whatever, do your best to try to get people over there, get her up to that number. Last I looked, she was at like 906, so we're trying to get her to 1,000. That's like, carry the one, less than 100. So guys, that's it. Let's get over there. Let's get DM the Mod up to 1,000, and one of y'all will get to win a knife. It'll be cool. Bye.